Today, we're continuing our series on insurance with our partners at Family First Life. Joining me today is Steve Giordano. He's here to help us understand mortgage protection. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much for having me, Olga. It's a pleasure.
All right, so walk me through it. Mortgage protection. I haven't really heard of this one.
So mortgage protection is a type of term life insurance that'll cover you against illnesses, disability, and also death. It's going to cover basically the length of your loan and pay that off to make sure that your family can stay in the home.
Which I can only imagine, and I've seen it happen, if someone passes, which is extremely unfortunate, and then the family has to uproot and leave, which is now even more unfortunate.
There's so many stories that I could tell you of families that I met with, whether it be delivering them the death check that was going to keep them in the home, or people that I just meet who have had it happen to them in the past, where they had to deal with probate and things of that nature and trying to fight to get the house. You walk in the home and they're like, hey, I need this coverage because I got to make sure I don't do this to my family.
So let's talk about a few tips that you can offer regarding this kind of insurance.
So the things you're looking for, number one, when you're young, you want to get it because you're going to save money on the premium. It's going to be, much more affordable.
Makes
when we
sense.
meet people, our goal is to try and fit their budget. So we look at a lot of different options. We're blessed to work with multiple carriers, so we can find different things for different people. And the other thing is you want to make sure that you cover the length of your loan. If you have a 10, a 15, a 30 year, you want to cover however long the financial responsibility would be for your dependents.
Okay. And when it comes to special requirements, are there any?
So we go through about a 15-minute process, all simplified, meaning there's no blood or urine or having to do any type of medical. There are some health requirements, but pretty much it's pretty lenient with simplified issue. You can have some certain health conditions and be covered.
You sell a lot of policies, and there's so much to offer, but do you find this one to be right up there?
This is probably the best and the most impactful, particularly the one that has living benefits where it covers you against things like chronic, critical, and terminal illnesses. So this way, if you had things like heart, stroke, or cancer, you could pull money from the policy early to continue paying your loan. So it covers you on life and as well as death.
Dealing with a death is always difficult, but then uprooting the family and moving to somewhere else, that to me is just, it's too much.
Absolutely. It's the thing that, the reason we do what we do, we protect families each and every day, keeps them in their home, and it makes sure that generations down the line are going to be set up for success financially.
It's called Mortgage Protection Insurance. For anyone out there who'd like more information, where can they go?
Go to familyfirstlife.com. You can get in touch with an agent. They'll come out, go through the process with you, and get you a plan that fits your needs and budget.
Steve, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.
And if you'd like more information, go to our website, thebalancingAct.com.